In this video we will learn about one of the most important and famous topic of DSA, that is stack. Topics we will discuss in stack are: what is stack? What is LIFO? Working of stack? Operations in stack? Applications of stack?
Ma'am, what is stack in DSA?
Stack is a linear data structure that follows the LIFO, last in first out, principle. It allows insertion and deletion operations from one end of the stack data structure, that is top.
FIFO principle? What is this LIFO principle?
LIFO is one of the methods of processing data. LIFO works on the principle that the items that entered the last are the first to be removed. Example of LIFO principle: the last plate placed on the stack would be the first plate taken off. And piles of books.
Ma'am, how stack works?
Stack works on the LIFO pattern. Suppose the size of the stack is 5. We want to store the elements in a stack, and let's assume that stack is empty. We have taken the stack of size 5 as shown below, in which we are pushing the elements one by one until the stack becomes full.
Ma'am, what are the basic operations of stack and data structure?
First we have push operation. Push operation involves inserting new elements in the stack. Second operation is pop. Pop operation refers to removing the element from the stack again, since you have only one end to do all top of the stack. Third operation is empty. It determines whether the stack is empty or not. Fourth operation is full. It determines whether the stack is full or not. Fifth operation is peek. It returns the element at the given position. Sixth, we have count operation. It returns the total number of elements available in a stack. Seventh operation is change. It changes the element at the given position. Eighth operation is display. It prints all the elements available in the stack. Now applications of stack in data structure. Applications of stack are backtracking, function call, string reversal, parenthesis checking, memory management. I hope this video is useful for you. I will come tomorrow with new video. Subscribe for more.